Hello friends, welcome to my channel Techie Break. In this video about how to attach and share files in Google Meet. Of the video. In order to attach files in Google Meet, we should know about Google Calendar because using this Google Calendar only we are going to attach the files. For that, first we have to create an event in Google Meet. While creating the event, we are going to invite the participants for the meeting. Then we are going to attach the necessary files for the meeting. It can be either a Word document, PowerPoint, Google quizzes, anything it can be. Once we have done with the meeting setup, we are going to see how to accept the invitation in participant point of view and how to view the attached files in participant mode. Login into your Google Drive, then select Google Calendar. Now we have to create an event. Click on the Create button, then add Google Meet video conferencing for the meeting, so that the participant can join the Google Meet. Then we can add the guest list for the meeting. So here is the organizer and this is the participants. Once we have done with the invitation, then we have to add files. For that, we have to add some description about the file that we are going to attach. Then click on Add Attachment. We can select files either from your Google Drive or from your PC. I am going to attach one file from my Google Drive, another one file from my PC using upload option. You can add Google Forms as well. Now I am uploading a file from my PC. I am adding a Word file. It is a document. Upload. In more options, we can see the guest list as well as the permissions that we are going to give for the participant. So we have done. Then we can send the invitation. Before sending, we have to give the sharing permissions for the participants. So this is the event. Once we click on the event, we will be getting the summary of the event. Organizer detail. I forgot to give the title. So you can modify the event anytime. So I'm modifying my event for giving a title. I'm giving a title as science. Then we can save. As I sent already, you no need to send it again. Now let's preview. This is organizer point of view. If you click on the meeting details, we can see the timing as well as the attachments that we are going to share to the participant. In participant mode, the meeting details, the event will appear like this. So once we click on the event, they can join the meeting. Click on join now. Now the participant joined the meeting. If you click on the event name here, they can see the attachment. They can see the attachment. They can access the files and even they can download the files if they want. So you can attach your notes for your classes so that the student can download the notes for their use. Another one file is the PowerPoint file. so the student can click and view the PowerPoint file. This may contain the content of your daily classes. So if they want your explanation part, they can download that also. If the student have any doubt, they can always chat with the teacher using the chat option. They can send their doubt using this chat option. Here is the participant detail. So that's it. Hope this video is really helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. Take a break. Take care. Bye bye.